Just look at this. Oh, I'm so happy. Uh-oh. Have you seen up there, straight ahead on the left? Look left, look left, look left.
We'll just blast up the left. When you come back down to the left, we're looking at it now.
We're coming back down it?
Yeah, you go up it and come down, yeah.
Right, okay.
Play around for a bit.
Right.
Good, but it's quite straightforward.
Yeah. Have you found it, Doug? Not a very good start. Yeah, okay. I can. It wasn't planned like that. Nothing further from that, don't honest. So a couple of hours where it didn't feel like it was going to give up, you know? Just let the... Yeah, I don't like them, because I'm going to ask this way, yeah. 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 Really? Oh, this is alright. I've lost signal. The reason I'm shouting is to try and connect again because it's voice activated. Oh, the loose stuff's not pleasant. Come on, come on, come on. Close. Where's the kill switch? Yeah, I'm trying. Okay. It's pissing a bit of fuel actually. Okay.
Right, now you want to go downhill again.
Yeah, of course.
Right, so you bring your back round. Okay?
Yeah.
Like that. Keep the front high, leave the front dig in the ground. That's it.
Just keep turning it.
That's it. Bit more. That's it. Now do it every time. So what you do is just pick it up. It's all locked up. Give me the front wheel like this. Knock the front down.
Okay.
Yeah?
Right.
Keep doing that till the front pointing slightly downhill.
Yeah.
Put a leg on it and just. Yeah.
Okay.
Then give it another go.
Pull the clutch in.
I don't know what happened there.
Not enough speed.
I did seem to wiggle.
What gear was it in?
Second.
Second, it should fly up it.
Don't forget to put the fuel back on when you get going.
Yeah. Just turn it a bit further.
Oh.
Pick it up.
That feels very...
That's alright, it'll come back up. No, wiggle the front like a lay it over.
Yep. Lay it over on its side.
No, a little bit like that, it makes it turn easier. I'll turn this off now. That's it. Just put it in the front, in the side, that's it. Is it in gear or neutral?
It's in gear.
I'll throw your leg over it. I've said it from the Okay, don't go about trying it.
No, just roll it.
Yeah, just touch in. Use brakes, gently on the brakes. Go down.
Hey up. I didn't realise it was locked up. Alright, am I trying this again? I mean, am I doing that now or am I waiting for you? Yeah. Oh, I get it. Oh my word. Yeah. Right. Right.
Leave your brains at the door and hold the throttle open. Yeah, I was going to say your rucksack's down there still, but...
That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun.
Really? Right.
I'd rather use the engine braking, wouldn't you? I'd have thought that would be totally the wrong thing to do. See, he's telling us to go down this with no engine. I mean, he's the expert, but...
Right.
I really think I prefer engine on and engine braking. You know, are you in control of a bike with no engine? I don't know. But like I said, he's the expert. Clutch in, you know, he's saying clutch in. I'd prefer engine braking myself, but well. And like you said, said you're using the back brake like ABS. I've knobbed that up totally. I can't do his slow descent mode, I've just binned it. I picked up loads of speed. Yeah, I'm fine. No, I'm back on. But thank you. Yeah, like he's saying, just use the brake as ABS. You know, like, what? Oops, how did the bike... I would, yeah. First gear, just, you know, clutch out. Ooh. Yeah, my knee pads didn't do very well. I've hurt my... Oh, I've lost comms. So much for knee pads. Or maybe I just scraped the knee pad. Because God almighty, this one's even steeper. I start to lock up the back. That wasn't so bad actually, and that was the steepest part. So if I can do that, I should be able to do the other one. Although I didn't, and I picked up a lot of speed. Good job there was a gap with Doug.
The reason I put the engine off is you're not worrying about the engine then. You worry about the brakes. But
Yep.
you fell off, so you get to start to get your speed up.
Yes.
Because normally, I mean, we do it. I mean, Spanish do it with the engine's off, but you can do it with the engine kicking over. It's a lot easier. All you're worrying about is your brakes, not worrying about is it going to stall? Am I going to hit the throttle and is it going to shoot off?
True, I never thought of that, yeah.
And it goes, "Whoa."
Yeah.